Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan croissants at home. First, combine your dry ingredients like flour and sugar. Then, activate your yeast in warm, non-dairy milk. Once foamy, mix it into the dry ingredients with a bit more milk to form a shaggy dough. Knead until smooth, then let it rest. This initial step is crucial for developing the gluten structure needed for flaky layers. Now for the magic, lamination. Roll out your chilled dough into a rectangle. Place your cold, firm vegan butter block in the center, then fold the dough over to enclose it completely. Gently roll the dough out again, then fold it into thirds like a letter. This is one turn. Repeat this process 2 more times, ensuring the dough is well chilled between each turn to prevent the butter from melting. After lamination, it's time to shape your croissants. Roll the dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it into triangles, roughly 3½ inches wide at the base. Starting from the wide end, gently roll each triangle towards the tip, creating that iconic crescent. Arrange them on a baking sheet, then proof them in a warm, humid spot for 2 to 3 hours until they are visibly puffy and jiggly. Finally, the moment of truth, baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently brush your proofed croissants with a non-dairy milk wash for a beautiful golden finish. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown and incredibly flaky. Let them cool slightly before enjoying your homemade vegan croissants. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.